To create a Yardi Voyager account, start by navigating to the Yardi Voyager website and click on the Sign Up or Register option. You will be required to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose a username and password for your account, making sure to follow the password requirements for security purposes. It is essential to use a strong and unique password to protect your account from unauthorized access. After providing the necessary information, you will receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can log into the Yardi Voyager system using your username and password. The system will prompt you to set up additional security measures such as two-factor authentication to enhance the security of your account. After setting up your account, you can explore the various features and functionalities of Yardi Voyager, including property management, accounting, and reporting tools. It is crucial to familiarize yourself with the system to maximize its benefits and streamline your property management operations. As a best practice, it is recommended to regularly update your account information and password to maintain the security and integrity of your account. Additionally, take advantage of the training resources and support provided by Yardi to ensure you are using the system efficiently and effectively. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully create a Yardi Voyager account and utilize its features to manage your properties efficiently. The Yardi Voyager system is designed to help property managers and owners streamline their operations. And with the right knowledge and training, you can leverage its capabilities to achieve your business goals.